friends, it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new It's All About the Mouse mini book project kit. So we will first take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. I have included a link in the description box down below to purchase. As always, the Lael by Mail mini book project kits include all the product that you need to put the project together, with the exception of your basic tools. Includes color step-by-step instructions, and then also includes access to an exclusive video where I put the project together right along with you step by step. This project is using the Simple Stories Say Cheese Classic Collection, which is such a fun collection because for the first time in all the Simple Stories Disney themed collections, they have been able to incorporate some of the Disney characters. And that is because the original Mickey Mouse, that was known as Steamboat Willie, went into the public domain. It was created in 1928, and this year it entered into the public domain, which means that it is artwork that the public can access. So Simple Stories took some of the artwork and put their own flair on it, and that is how we have the Say Cheese Classic Collection. All right, so the album, we'll take a look at the album in a second when we look at the contents of the kit, but the album is 8.5 by 9 inches, and it fits 6 by 8 pages inside. All right, so it is a nice 2-inch album with, album has 2-inch D-rings, so you have plenty of room for all your pages inside and adding memorabilia and photos and things. So we have a cute little cover here with both Mickey and Minnie. And as we get going, over here we have a fun little foam sticker. I have used the foam stickers throughout the project. I love the Simple Stories foam stickers. I just love how much kind of dimension they give. Here you have a half ear, and then when you open it, you have a full ear. And then you have a half ear on the back. So your project kit includes a half ear template, and we're using that in class to create both of those ears. But it just kind of gives a real fun beginning of your album. This is a pocket page album, so it has pocket pages of varying thicknesses. You have a fun tag here with some baker's twine, but as you can see, really, really bright, fun colors, kind of your classic Disney colors. And then just gotta love having those characters. I had a lot of fun designing this project. So here you go. You've got a little banner there, room for lots of photos. This little kind of half page that has a pocket in the back, so you could slide photos or tickets or whatever you wanted in the back of that little pocket. Here you have a nice little spread. Just, I can't tell you, I had so much fun putting the project together. As I kind of look at this and go over it again, there's a little door that we're creating. Fun little banner across the top using some of those small tags that are part of the 6x8 paper pad. Here you have a pocket on the back side of the pocket page, so you can add photos. Little interactive page here. Another little interactive page here. Another little interactive page here. Lots of interactives in this one. This is a fun kind of cream, like a pearl cream paper with gold foil stars. A little pocket here. Here on this page, we're actually creating a pocket. We've trimmed the pocket page down, and we're creating a pocket on the outside of the pocket page, both on the front and the back, adding some fun little tags and photos. Little tag there, little banner. So as you can see, it is such a fun collection. Here you have another little door. And then this little guy, kind of creating your own little page. And there you have it. So room for tons and tons of photos. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the contents of the kit. So the base of the project is using an exclusive album that I had designed. As I mentioned before, it is 8.5 by 9 with those 2-inch D-rings. So you've got lots of room for building, adding your dimension and photos and memorabilia and so forth. There is a silver book plate on the spine. All right, from there, the project kit actually is packaged in one of my 13 by 13 storage pouches. So these are wonderful for things like this, adding maybe a project kit that you're working on, or adding papers from a collection, papers and other types of products from a collection, storing your layouts, whatever it may be. This is a great, it's a great pouch. Nice, sturdy plastic. And as I mentioned, 13 by 13. This one is in an exclusive color. It's in red. So I did red this year for my December documented project kits, and also for the It's All About the Mouse project kit. So I do have another color. I have a navy blue that's always available on my website, but that red is custom for this project and my December documented project kit. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of the wonderful things inside. Do you know what? I have not included the color step-by-step instructions in this one. This is my kit for teaching. So just know, color step-by-step instructions. You have 18 inches of both a yellow and a red baker's twine. You have the big bits. And so for the big bits, these are your kind of large jumbo-sized die cuts. So you have 19 of those in this package. You have the 6x8 paper pad. So with that 6x8 paper pad, you have 2 sheets each of 24 designs. Everything is double-sided as well. So one of the things that Simple Stories did a little bit differently in this paper pad is instead of doing all of kind of the extra sheets as 3x4 cards, you have a couple that are tags, and then also a couple that are the journal elements. And so when I saw those, I was so excited. So you kind of your little mini journal elements in there as well. And then you still have some of your 3x4 cards. So your 6x8 paper pad. You have the foam stickers. So 2 sheets, 2 6x12 sheets of the foam stickers, which just love those again. 6x12 of that kind of pearly gold foil star sheet. There's your little template for cutting your ears. You have a package of the Simple Stories pocket page variety pack. So there are 12 pocket pages, and that gives you 4 each of a 3x4, 4x6, a 6x8, and a 4x6, 4x6. And then we get into the 12x12 portion of the kit. So you have the 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet, and then you have, I believe, 7 of the or 7 papers. 6 of the 7 are from the Classic Mouse collection. So we have 2 of these. We are using one of these for our cover and then cutting apart the second one to use inside. Great little scene on the back there. And that's the second sheet. And then we have, let me just pop those 2 down below. We have some of the cut apart papers. So we have the 4x6s. We have the 3x4s, and then we kind of have the companion sheet to that first 12x12 that I showed you. So there you go, like that. So there's that paper with the plaid on the back side. And then you have a lined notebook paper, and then finally a black piece of cardstock 12x12 that we are using to cut our ears. So there you go. That is the It's All About the Mouse mini book project kit. I have included a link in the description box of the video down below. I've also included a link to all of the Disney themed products on my website. So I carry other individual or a la carte products from this particular collection as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.